Unit 5, Heredity, is one of the biggest units on the AP Bio exam. It contains genes, meiosis, Punnett squares, and all of that. So what is meiosis? Meiosis is the process that produces haploid gametes, reduces chromosome number, passes DNA to the next generation, and creates genetic variation. The end result is 4 genetically unique haploid cells. So here's a quick rundown. So in prophase 2, the spindle forms, nuclear envelope breaks, and chromatids are still connected. Metaphase 2, chromosomes line up in a single file. Anaphase 2, sister chromatids separate for the first time. Each becomes an individual chromosome. Telophase 2, nuclei reform, cytokinesis, and you end up with 4 unique cells. So, mitosis versus meiosis. Mitosis is 2 identical diploid cells, no crossing over, for growth or repair. Meiosis is 4 unique haploid cells. Crossing over happens and it's for sexual reproduction. Both use spindle fibers, but their outcomes are totally different. So genetic diversity in meiosis, there's 3 main sources. So there's crossing over in prophase 1, independent assortment, and random fertilization. So here's crossing over. Non-sister chromatids swap DNA, creates recombinant chromosomes. It happens in the chiasmata. So there's more sources here. Independent assortment, random fertilization. So genotypes, phenotypes, and crosses. So genotype is an allele combination like BP, RR, or YY. Phenotype is a physical expression. Punnett squares predict probability, not certainty. So you should know monohybrid crosses, dihybrid crosses, and test crosses. So sex-linked traits. Traits on the X or Y chromosome. X-linked traits are more common in males, XY individuals, because they only have one X. So some examples are colorblindness or hemophilia. And there's non-nuclear inheritance. Okay, so here, some environmental factors can affect gene expression. So same genotype is different phenotypes depending on temperature, nutrition, light, and stress. Some examples are temperature dependent, sex, and reptiles. So for the previous one here, we had non-nuclear inheritance. So the mitochondria and chloroplast genes are maternally inherited. So you always get mitochondrial DNA from your mom, but this does not follow Mendelian ratios. So that's AP Bio Unit 5. So everything you need to know for the exam. So here's are some practice questions. There's another one. Some more. So go to sellthebond.netlify.app for 100 MCQ